What if I told you that there's a planet made of burning ice? It's called Neptune. The farthest planet, where temperatures drop below minus 200 degrees Celsius. Everything there should be frozen. But Neptune breaks the rules. It has violent storms, with winds faster than the speed of sound. And somehow it has heat. More heat than it gets from the sun. Deep inside Neptune, something unbelievable happens. Carbon is squeezed so hard, it turns into diamonds. And then they fall. Imagine a storm where it rains diamonds. The universe doesn't follow our rules. It writes its own.